Alright. I think we need something new and fresh. And you know what? I believe I have just the thing. Our first pilot. When the TWR had first started, it was made up of simplified and creative ideas, and later we moved on to the early 2000s, where everything seemed more brighter, as well as more of a outstanding, especially in its colors and structures. One item in particular is the Knapford covered bridge. Now what I have today, the Knapford covered bridge piece itself, and not the tracks themselves or anything. There have been quite a few versions of them, such as the clickety-clack version, and the ever so rare and unusual blue roof version. The version I have is traction rail and the black roof version. Despite it not being something you see in Thomas and Friends or in the Railway series, this particular piece has still managed to pull itself through and have made its debut in quite a few sets. To me, this particular piece has always been a classic, and frankly, back then it was the only destination I ever got. And how I accumulated it was in this toy lot that came with some Brio style coaches, as well as an engine tender. I never really got the tender, never found out what it was until later when I was a little older. All I can say is that if you find this set, I don't really recommend. I say that you should probably pick it up, but it's not really recommend. Not exactly like you need it in your collection. It's more of something that'd be nice to have, as a scenery piece. For me, it has served as a shed, a tunnel, as well as and even a barn. Either way, it's still great, and I love it. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.